Hello everyone, myself Dr. Amit Maheshwari. Pandemic COVID-19 is not over yet and we are getting news regarding new virus which has been found in China and it has been named as G4H1N1 virus. Before going in the detail of G4 virus, please like, share and subscribe Biochemistry Basics by Dr. Amit and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications from it. First, what is G4 virus? According to study published in the Science Journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, influenza virus is named as a G4 virus, and as per the reports, it is genetically descended from the H1N1 strain that caused pandemic in 2009. So this G4 virus is genetically descended from the H1N1 strain, which is a swine flu. The new strain of swine flu virus, which has been named as G4 virus, has properties similar to that of European avian-like H1N1 virus, which has led to terrifying pandemic in Mexico in 2009. And this G4 virus can spread easily from animals to humans, that is from pigs to humans, but person to person transmission has not been noted yet, but it has a potential to spread from humans to humans. And it has been found that this new strain is triple reassortant virus, which means its genetic sequence is a different combination of the three of the eight segments of H1N1 RNA. So this G4 virus is the triple reassortant virus. How is it dangerous for the humans? As it is a new strain of H1N1 virus, so there is no availability of vaccine for this particular strain, and it is a new strain of H1N1 virus, so there is also no development of immunity in the humans. And it is noted that virus showed sharp increase in the swine population after 2016, and further tests showed that B4 can infect humans by binding to our respiratory cells and receptors, and it can replicate quickly inside our airway cells. And there are already reports of 30 people are being infected from this G4 virus in the China. How to do the prevention of G4 virus? Wear mask and maintain social distance. So that is all about B4H1N1 virus. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Biochemistry Basics by Dr. Amit, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications from it. Thank you.